I'm just ballin', flossing, rolling through my neighborhood, ballin', flossing, rolling through my neighborhood, ballin', flossing, rolling through my neighborhood.
What's the other joint? What was the other joint we're looking at?
Okay, my will presidential, 10 presidential, money presidential, bitches presidential, everything black, so you know I'm presidential.
He gonna hook up in the front center, and he gonna pull at an angle that way.
Riding through the hood with my top down, she know I like it better with my top down. Niggas hating on me cause I'm hot now. No surprise, I know why I'm getting money, yeah. It's a lovely day, so I'ma ride the city. Cup full of something to slow down my senses. The designer shoes cost a nice penny. That's $750, we talk Pacifics. That rose gold compliment.
And we are back. And guess what? I got my bolts. I finally got my bolts. They are in. Now I can go ahead and pop them mugs in. Pop them mugs in. Let's throw these pipes in, man. Let's throw these pipes in, man. So excited, babe. I get them mugs screwed all the way in, bro. So, hell yeah. But look, let me go ahead and get all my tools. Look, all my hardware right there. I just gotta throw these pipes up in here. Put the O2 sensors. Those already tightened on the back. Put some what you call it? Anti-seize on the O2 sensors of the upstream ones. Screw them on. Throw them in. Put the ultra copper gasket maker. Put this on here, and you know it's high temp, so this gonna seal up, make sure I got no exhaust leaks, and put all this junk back together. Put this bar cross member back on. Shoot, and I should be good. So let me get to it. Okay, I'm laying on my back, and the pipes are in. Got them finally in, and man, you can see me up here. Let me turn around so you can see them. Installed up there. Got them bolted in. Had to wait till, that's that bolt I was waiting for. Well, the bolt I was waiting for is right here. That's the back side of the stud. Other side's nutted. Got that, was able to get that impact in there. Impacted down. Same on this side. So let me get this shield on now and get from under here and crank this mug up. Oh man. Finally finished. Go and get us a nice little cold start. Oh my God. Oh my God. Let me clear these coals now.